first of all in Excel we go through our cell formatting. In a cell formatting, if you check it out here, in cell formatting, if you check it out here, it is if you want to use a point value, so it is also possible. But if you are not using a point value, okay, so here, so we are going to use just like this, make it 0. So it will not contain a point value. Okay, if I'm going to enter a number 40.5, so it is going to be round as a 41. Round, it is automatically rounding that. You know round? Round. No, not that round. Hmm? No. Okay, here I'm going to tell you what the round is. If a number is there, 20.57, so we are going to round this 7. Okay, so it will be equal to 20.56, sorry, 20.6. If this number is greater than 5, if this number is 5 or greater than 5, so 1 is going to be added to that. Okay, this is known as a round. If this number, if I'm going to round this, okay, to the without point, or I'm going to round this, so it will be equal to 21. If I'm going to round this, it will be equal to what? 21. 20.6 if I'm going to round, so it will equal to 1. Here, okay, let's suppose I'm going to enter number, just like 20.6, so automatically it will round to 21 or not? Here, so 21 it get round or not? Why? The reason is that we have told him that whenever point value is there, so automatically round that. Okay, decimal place, when you put it, no, do not round that. So you can also put a point value over there. Okay, to how many digit it is going to be rounded? To how many digit it is going to be rounded? If I'm going to make it 3 digit going to be rounded. So here, if I'm going to enter 40.54, no rounding is going to be done. One more 0 is going to be extra added along with that. But if I'm going to enter 549, and one more, sorry, I'm going to enter 7. So what, it is going to be rounded or not? So 7 is more than 5 or not? And 5. So 9 becomes 0 or not? So it will be equal to 50. 40.550. Got that, this round? Okay, again, just like I have entered a big number here, if I'm going to 8. So right now this 7 is going to be rounded, one more add to this digit. One more add to this digit. So the 7 is going to be rounded and become 9. So it becomes 40.549. Understand? So this is the rounding. In a maths, you have not studied that or not? Rounder. Yeah. So this is a rounding. If you does not need, just like I need numbers which is going to, it contain a point value or it will not contain a point value. So it depends upon your choice. Okay, sometimes in a cell we are entering a cell. In a calculator you have seen that while you're going to enter a number, a comma is there. Comma is there. For what we use this comma? Got that? For what we use comma? Here, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Keep your hand with yourself.
Me?
Yes.
Yes, you just
Be in limits. It's a class. Okay. Okay. I'm talking about commas. What this is? Comma is what? While reading a number, so it is easier to read. Whenever we put a commas in between a number of 1,000, just like here, a number is there. I'm going to write 4,58,560. Okay. So how are we going to write 4,58,560? So right now when you start reading, so it is difficult. Unit, 10, 100,000 like that. Okay, but if I'm going to put a commas between them, so right now it is easy to read. Okay, this comma. So here it is. Okay, so after 3 digits, comma is coming, and what it makes easy to read. Got that? Okay. Right now, if I'm going to enter here, that put the commas. Place after 1,000 a comma. Okay, and clicking OK. So here, if you're going to enter a number. 9 crore and 45 8. I'm not going to enter a comma, automatically it will take that. 9 4 5 8 560. Okay, here the cell length is small. If you're going to increase, automatically it's showing. Okay, here you can see that right now. So this makes what? This make easy to read. In a calculator, you have seen this thing or not? Comma is coming. Okay. In a calculator, you have not seen that. So why you are saying no? Okay, but if you does not need, so you can remove that. The next one is sometimes in a calculation we need that the minus sign will not show. If I'm going to enter a number with a minus sign, so you can see that here it shows with a minus or not. But you can also format the cell like that. Whenever I'm going to enter a number, instead of minus, your cell color will change to the red. Your cell color or the data which is inside the cell, it is going to be changed to the red here. If I'm going to just format this cell, sorry, here, or two data I'm going to enter over here also, and this is positive and another one is negative. Okay, I'm going to select these two and format the cells. Okay, just select that. When you have a negative number, so it is going to be shown how? This is the negative number. Therefore, it is showing, if you see over here, it shows the minus sign over here or not. And the color get red. It's mean sometimes in a calculation or just like in accounting, we does not show a minus. Mostly we show with the color. Okay, that this is the negative data. Here, or if I'm going to enter some more data just like 45, so it is getting what? Black. But if I'm going to enter minus 30, so automatically get red or not. Okay, because we have formatted the cell. We have talked that whenever you're going to enter a negative number, so it automatically take the red color. Text take a red color or number. The next one here, if you does not need a color, you want it shows a bracket with a red or with a black. So this situation is coming. What do you want? That your number is going to be shown with the red or with the black. Okay, I'm going to show whenever you have a negative number, so it is going to be shown with the brackets. Okay, so if I'm going to enter a positive number, so it will not show you brackets. But if I'm going to enter a minus number inside it, so it will show you in a brackets. 3585. Okay, so or if you want that, no, it shows a bracket but not a red color. Okay, so we are going to format this cell, and again we are going to check it out here. So right now it's showing a black, but it shows a red. Why? Because sometimes for printing, in a printing it does not show the red color. So we can also show by the help of brackets. When a bracket is there, it means a negative number is there. It contains a negative sign. Got that? Okay, the next one, formatting, I have self-formatting. Currency. Okay, sometimes we want that along with the number, a sign and symbol of currency will come. Sign and symbol of currency will come. It's like dollar sign, pound sign, sterling sign, euro sign, AFA, Afghani dollars, Afghani signs, or just like Pakistani rupees, Indian rupees. So this is also possible to include along with that. Okay, how? Just go over to the currency, and in a currency, what do you need? Dollar sign? Okay, here. So whenever while you're going to enter data inside a cell, automatically it will take a dollar. You are not going to show that. You are not going to enter that. Automatically, just I'm going to enter 45. So automatically it shows $45.00. No, which cell you're going to format? Which cell you're going to format? In every cell it will not take that. Okay, but which cell you're going to format, automatically it will take that. Okay, so it depends upon which cell you have formatted. Because we need sometimes a different cell formatting for our sheet. Okay, so right now I'm going to format this cell. Okay, I does not need a dollar. I need a pound or sterling or euro. What? Kaldar? Yes, it have a Kaldar. But okay, PKR, Pakistani rupees. PPT. PKR. PKR. This is Pakistani rupees, is also available inside it. So, but if you're going to make it Afghani, so is also available inside it. But I think so you people does not know that this is Afghani or not. AFA. So this is wrong. This is not Afghani. Okay. AFA is coming, but this is not Afghani. the original symbol for your currency is AFG. Okay, we are going to make that in Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft have not put this thing. We are going to make your currency inside it, so that you will also include it inside Microsoft Excel. Okay. Mesha. We are going to make that, no problem. Okay, but in next lecture, not today. In the next lecture, inshallah, we are going to do that. Okay, some other currencies are there. Which sign and symbol you want to use? Select that. Chinese or Japanese, what you want, or country name. Just select the country name. By the help of that, you can select a currency. Just like here, yen, pound, Korean is known as the Korean yen, and different currencies are there. This is yen. Okay, one more. If you want a 2-digit along with that, so it is also possible. If it does not need, so it depends upon your choice. That 00 will come over there or not. Okay. Sometimes in a calculation, or sometimes we need this currency symbol will come to the left. This currency symbol will come to the left. Right now it is along with the number. Right now it is where along with the number or not. But if I want that this symbol will come to the left, so what I am going to do? I am going to use what? Accounting. I am going to use which type of cell formatting? Accounting. So here, if I am going to select that and clicking OK, so it is coming like that or not? Currency symbol coming to the left and the amount coming to the right. Okay, so it's also possible if you want to do so. Or if you can see a different symbols are there. Pound, United Kingdom pound. So this is the pound symbol. So this is mostly for accounting purposes. We need a what? Yes.
That currency and the right of
the cell. Okay. This is by default. By default is not there. Okay. By default it is not there. Good question. But if you want to do so, it is also possible. If you want to do so, if it is also possible. But right now it is not possible. By default it is not there. If we are going to do a formatting a cell here with the custom, we are going to do that. With the custom, we are going to do that. Got that? Okay. The next one is date and time. Date and time formatting. Sometimes we want that for a cell that inside we are entering a date. So which type of format it will take? Okay. One more thing. While entering a date inside the Excel, first of all you're going to enter month, then date, then year. First of all you're going to enter month, then date, then year. Then it will take a real date. But if you're going to enter first of all date, then month, then year, it will not take that. Okay, here, let's suppose I'm going to enter date. First of all, I'm going to enter date. Let's suppose date, month, 10 month and 2010. Just 10 I'm going to write. So, here we have formatted previously the cells, therefore. Okay, here I'm going to enter 3 of 10th of 2009. So right now you can see that automatically it have taken that or not. But remember that here, if I'm going to just I'm going to format this cell and I'm going to enter again. First of all date, then month and then year. Date is 27 slash month is 4 and year is 09. So right now you can see that this date is coming to the left side. So it is not the date. It become what? It become a text. Because this is the real format we have not given. We have given 27 date. First of all date will not come. First of all month is coming. Then date and then year is coming. But if I'm going to enter here like that, 4 of 27th, 4 month of 27 slash 09. So right now it will take as a date. Okay. One more thing here. If you want that it will show you the month in English format. January, February, March, April, May, like that. Okay, so it is also possible. Just right click on that, go over to the format cell, and I need a different date formats are available. I need inside it that it will show you. Okay, like that. Month is going to be 27 April 09. You're going to enter in a slash, and it is going to be taken as a April and March here 12 December 27 December. Okay, or February 2nd, 27th February 09. So you got that? If you want that it will show also a day, it's like this is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if you want that, you are not going to enter the day, you can just enter the date. But by the help of cell formatting, we are able to show a day also. Just right click on that and go over to the format cell and go over this one. So right now it will show you the day also. Friday. On that day, what is there? Friday. Okay. Tell me, the Nowruz is coming on which date?
Sunday.
Which date? No, I'm not talking about date, not day. Date. Which date? Okay, I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check it out. It is Friday, Saturday. On 22? On 22. If I'm going to just enter, and the month is which one? The month is 3rd? 3rd. January, February, March. Yes, March is coming. And 2010? Just like that, I'm going to enter 10. So here, oh, first of all, date I've entered. First of all, month should be there. 3/22 of 10. So you can see that here, that Monday, on that date, Monday is there or not? Okay, so if you check it out calendar, also it is going to show you. What is your date of birth? Any date of birth? Any date of birth? Just 1987. In a 1 year, full 1 year you were born in. Okay, 10 February. So just second /2/1987. You are confused about that. 87. This is not the real. Okay, if I want to check it out, that what was the day he was born, so just go over there, format cell, and here this one select. So it will show you that that was okay, Monday. Shamba. Okay, so you can also, oh, Nowruz day and this day is also coming on same day. Okay. So that by the help of cell formatting, you can check it out what day is also coming. If I want that, no, I just need what I need just year. No date, no month. Okay, so what we are going to do here, just select year. There is no year inside it. We are going to format that. Right now it is not available inside it. Okay, it is not available, but whenever we are going to customize that, so it is also possible. Okay, if you need a month and year, not date, month and year. So February 87 is coming or not? February 87, but date is what? 2nd or not? Okay, so it is also possible. What type of formatting you need? So it depends upon your choice. That you need that it will show you the whole month, just like MAR is showing. But if you need that it will show you full March. Okay. So here February, full February and 2nd of 1987. Got that? So these are the cell formatting for dates. It depends upon your choice. You need how. You need first of all month, you need first of all year, you need what. So it is also possible by the help of that. Okay, the next one here, different formats are there. The next one is a time. Okay, whenever you want to enter inside the cell date and time, so do not format those cells which have a numbers. Do not format your cells, those cells which have a numbers. Just like here, this number 25. If I'm going to convert this 25 to the time, so it is not going to, the cell formatting, the whole data is going to be changed. Here, format cell and time. So it will show you what? 12 o'clock. This is not the real. The number has not been fully changed. But if I want to convert a cell to the time. So what I'm going to write here, 12:30. 12:30. Right now, when it's coming to the left side, when it's coming to the right side, sorry, it means it's the real time I have entered. If you want that, along with that, AM and PM will also come. AM and PM. So how? Go over to the format cell, and I need AM and PM also. Okay. Time. and here I need a PM and AM also. So 12:30 PM started or not? Okay, but if I'm going to enter in this cell, let's suppose I'm going to format 2 or 3 cells. Okay, I am going to format 2 or 3 cells, format cells, and time, and I need AM and PM along with that. Okay, here I'm going to enter 13, or no 13, I'm going to enter 15, 45. So if I'm going to enter, so what it will take, 3:45 or not? 3:45, because 15, sorry, here 15 if you go over in 24 hour, 15 equal to 3, in 24 hour 15 equal to 3 or not? In our 24 hours, yes, in a 12 it is AM and PM, it is equal to 3 o'clock. Okay, so it depends upon your choice. If you need a second along with that, minute, hour and second, so how you going to do? Just format cell, and here just select I need a second also, and no AM, no PM, just a 24-hour services is going to be given to you. Got that? So this also depends upon your choice, what type of cell formatting you need. Okay, and here if I'm going to enter 20, 30, okay, 8:30, 20:30 is equal to 8:30 or not? It is the time of a PM. So previously I formatted the cell or not? Therefore it is coming like that or not? Okay, so this is the cell formatting. Up to dates we have considered. Enough for today? Okay.